can take pictures. Good. Oh shit. Look, you're all dusty now.
I know. Look inside the car.
I looked at my. You didn't want to get no dirt. Damn.
When I was about to roll with the top down too.
Your phone's all covered in dust. Damn. Good thing it's soft dirt too.
Right?
Oh damn. Nah, I was in the back and I seen you, like, cause I took that turn and my car too, like, slid out a little bit.
Yeah.
Like I slid out and I caught it and look in the rear and I see you take the whole thing. I was like, damn. Oh shit.
That was fun.
Should wake you up, huh?
Oh no, that's it. Cause so I see you taking the turn and I fucking I heard my phone like rattle. Oh shit, I didn't want to fall, so I grabbed it and I look up. I'm like, oh, fuck.
Damn.
I was going too fast. By the time I came in, I'm like, ah, shit. So I guess for being distracted.
Yeah, I look back and that shit just all in the dirt and as he did a whole 360. Fuck, this shit's all dusty now.
Well,
time for a wash when you get home, huh?
I was just trying to clean the inside, but I guess it's might be called thick ass detailing today.
Damn. We're running around the back right there. And you can still see your marks, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see your marks where you went off right there. Yeah, so I was thinking I caught it, and then I was like, damn, that shit was pretty quick. And then like I looked back, and that's when I just seen you come and just took the whole thing. I was like, nah.
Go big or go home.
Damn. Too bad I didn't catch that on the GoPro.
Oh, imagine I was in the front.
Yeah. You get a whole gang of dirt under in the engine bay?
I don't know. Actually. Probably. Well, it has the little.
The fucking covers, huh?
Yeah. I have to go home brush my teeth.
It's all gritty.
I feel like I'm chewing on sandpaper.
Oh no, you're good.
Not bad. You did good.
Testing the limits, huh?
Hey, now we know.
Yeah.
Can't take it at 50, but 45. Hey.
Yeah. Fuck it, let's get back on the road, stop somewhere to get a drink, because I know you got a gang of sand in your mouth. He went off on that turn back there. Alright, so let's head on out. Sergio's putting the top down. We're ready to go, so let's go. Oh, guys have enjoyed this journey today. If you like what you've seen so far, give this video a like. If you don't like anything in this video, leave a comment. I'm always open for constructive criticism. Shit, you can leave hate comments. I don't care either. It's all good with me. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. That's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. You guys got to miss him spin out. But all in all, it was good. It's starting to get hot. We're about to head home and enjoy the rest of our Sundays. One last look at the cars, and that's it.